welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Woman brutally tortured by husband suffers multiple miscarriages. ICU inaugurated at Northpoint Civil Hospital to boost health services. Congress backs centre stand against Pakistan, condemns ED actions. And mobile tablets distributed to students under CM's Digital Learning Aid scheme. Now the news in detail. A 26-year-old woman from Upper Shillong, East Khasi Hills is undergoing treatment at Shillong Civil Hospital after being brutally tortured by her husband. Reports reveal that the woman, married for 2 years, suffered repeated abuse leading to 4 miscarriages. Yamon's AM chairperson of the Meghalaya Women Commission visited the victim along with other members. Speaking to the media, AM condemned the repeated abuse and affirmed that such acts have devastating effects on women. She stated that this is not an isolated incident and that the Commission will ensure the matter is thoroughly investigated. The Commission has vowed to provide the necessary support and seek justice for the victim.
Dan kan ni lah dan surgery room dan dia tak ikut nak sampai ni like nan pun ke udah sih dia pun pak man ba la don pai di kundoi samsung kita kasih baca man sisima la bom la shop ha di la ur ni kai kelong pada imat ke ni dia sa kham harung wan tu wang nei nei la yap syukia salap tadi. Bentangin saya pilihan kulit kai pelajar ya. Tinggi sosial kan hukum pilih kijingja ke George ke Joe rumah ya snow. Pada mulai tambah dong berkipiang kita kai di air ke. Don pilih kijing shore. Teng kijing buat, teng pemijing buat. Yang habnya buat dia hai kabarnya net scam baru semua. Kalian jumpi punya lihat dan yang dan I juga awareness dan orang subha sikit orang bawa dia that bank pun dia pun kan but menyebut dia ni someone that can say one commission sih itu tapi sosial pula orang sosial ni dunia dan lah but ngangit scam dia kamani mano kiri kan Taylor dah ini dah syak dan mano subha ya rap subha intervene mo maki mano orang pak nong kami syuk kami yang kita kamu daw tepat ibu dapat no kita tak itu mungkin ya pensai kan ni ke nama violence kan increase show but tam dia kan bayi ketai dia kan ke ketai di kelong no ikon di em na kijing air ba jing so smith.
The residents of West Khasi Hills district have received a major healthcare boost with the inauguration of the intensive care unit ICU at Northpoint Civil Hospital. The facility was officially inaugurated on April 30th by Northpoint MLA Gabriel Walang in the presence of district officials, medical staff and residents. The ICU features 6 beds, 4 for adults and 2 for children. Dr. B. Murthong shared that over 60 patients have already been treated since its operational start in February 2025. The MLA praised the dedication of the hospital staff and assured continued support to improve healthcare services in the district.
Kani kalong kamau jam makongsan ya kajing persyan jongi bantam klaim ya kajing syakri ka kwat kakia awas hasilhels kajing sang ya ka ICU kamde tangman penbuan jikia rei kalong ka lifeline na matagi beriang di jongka ni ka district jongi kani kampen bah ya kajing na banai kajing sumar ka bakar ki bakar pang ya kitu ki badan shitam Shua ban plie yani ka ICU kumbala ban bentan laong ba ya ginong pang lahap ban ha no der shapo Shillong bat bun sien Kani ka jing lek jong ki shatei ka pen ka khatino ya ka por ba kodor ba don kamban ai ka jing sumar wot ban pelai ya ki na ka jing shitom ba jur.
Baswan, motor semua. Ini yang kami sampaikan waktu start dulu ini ada pindah. Tajo kita bilang on dalam ini. Kalau kita sendiri kita juga dapat kalasi, kita cinta kita kalau kita doktor kira. Ini mah balik kami doktor. Baru-baru kita wan kami pasal kita pun yang ada pun bagian kebanyakan sebagai doktor. Jadi itu possible style. Ikan ben, tentang tempat bahar, tentang klimas kita teman. Nah lebih, ini tenjal. Kita tahu kita tenjal. Ya, ini kejumlah hati mesin. Berjalan baik berjaya. Pertemuan ini bahan ini lah bertindak berperform jalan. Ini dalam profesi. Bahkan ini kita lihat mesin kemarin yang ada ini. Kejumlah apa yang dan kejadian ini. Di beberapa hospital, bagi private hospital, kantor kepala kerja. Ini kerana ada jalan
At a recent AICC meeting in New Delhi, Congress leaders pledged full support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government in taking action against Pakistan following the April 22nd militant attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, which claimed 26 civilian lives. AICC member in charge of Meghalaya, Matthew Anthony, confirmed that both AICC and MPCC stand united with the centre. The international community and Indian citizens have also extended their support. However, Anthony criticized the misuse of the Enforcement Directorate by the BJP-led government, accusing it of targeting the Gandhi family to undermine their influence. He stated that the Gandhis continue to challenge BJP dominance, which restricts the party's unchecked control over national politics.
Any actions against the people who have caused this pain and immense injury to the people of our country. We also resolved to condole the death of the Roman Catholic Pope, His Holiness Pope Francis, who was one of a kind of a peacemaker in this era which we all have witnessed. And the MPCC, under the leadership of RCLP, Baroni, and a delegation where we all went and met the Roman Catholic head here in Meghalaya, Archbishop Victor Lingdo, and passed over our resolution to him. We also wanted to convey to the people of Meghalaya that the attempt of the BJP to tarnish the integrity and reputation of the Congress and the Gandhi family with the National Herald and Associated Journal Limited case was discussed in length, and we explained to our leadership and to also the people of Meghalaya through our people, through the districts and the blocks, to say that this case has no factual evidence, no money transfer, no government involvement in any form from the time of its origin of this matter till date. And then the government has used Enforcement Directorate to fabricate a case which is non-existent to tarnish the image of the Gandhi family and the Congress, which has been fighting for this country from the time of independence till now. Realizes that despite their short-term electoral wins based on propaganda and right-wing fundamentalism, it is very clear that they still are insecure about remaining in power because they are very, very sure about the presence of the Gandhi family and Congress had a high value in every single soul of the people of India and the people in the state of Meghalaya. So it is our responsibility to have this communicated to our team, which was unanimously approving and offering the support to convey this message to the people of Meghalaya, and that is what the political executive committee, which we had yesterday, discussed on this one. The political executive committee also raised issues on the exorbitant corruption allegations against the NPP government.
On April 30th, 2025, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi Hills, distributed mobile tablets for the academic year 2024-25 under the Chief Minister's Students Digital Learning Aid Scheme. The event was held at Tersem Hall, Nongstoin, with Nongstoin MLA Baggebel Walang as the chief guest. Tablets were distributed to 16 schools across the district to support digital learning. In his address, Walang encouraged students to use the devices to enhance their education and urged them to write and learn independently rather than relying solely on pre-written content or artificial intelligence. The program was attended by officials including ADC by HK Thaba, SDSEO Bikram D. Marak, school teachers, students and local elders.
But Q is in don't come invest in a clear Kajumi, Sakazaka. Bonusing a clear Jumi invest high. Invest bon Laramio, a tablet in upper cuts of a bait, they should be a court last time, so don't come in a clear that you wait with exactly, but yet have to. They have to that a mind can hit Kajumi invest high. He invested a mind to people, Q has given, he invested a mind to be, but you get combo had a protest with artificial intelligence. Hakabanga pi ilang pek yang ditho di beliau ke bawah. Yang pek yang ditho bagi tho dalade. Kato la tho tawe disebut kalau tak kekambut ni. Harga yang lebih pek yang kita dapat. Bersama mereka, learn mereka, satu hi dalade. Pilih mapi menolongi artificial intelligence dalade ditho. Omlei prinsipnya nak tu kata, ada pek nak tu sahaja sedang mereka. Nakwa pinong kinong tho ya lagi. Mapin tho akalanti ka badai bobhatan shano pinpoy ka jengin majopi. Invest your mind kata kali potong kancam. Penga na oi bita kendia manero na nakwa man kran na ong kimedia. Baga mind ka jung how we invest. Tan bang shot ada harbu ngila invest ka clear bo kali bosiuta. Kasorkar India. Khubor ya ada har naga bantang ban ayat identity jong man uwe unong shong jogari India. Kamne ka sarkar Meghalaya ka ong shong ada. Are ka sarkar India baru kinong India kide bandon uwe identification number ubapan ya pair ya na badia pi. Kakate bisama Gabriel wala na kaido disparo di bala do kaju ko karten kaju kajat. Tarai ka identification da joma. Udon Aadhaar number. Kata kali ka identity ka joma. Semua orang perempuan yang itu, orang Hindu yang ada, mereka perempuan. Aku pergi kena sekolah pergi dalam tangan dia, dalam ke media. Mereka perempuan yang itu. Henry, lara dia apply ke scholarship untuk dia. Ketika itu orang jom, lasai lara dia kapan banyo yang Khuborjylla dia show, mana bodoh. Lara bilek sekarang tak kasih spasi dia show, mana bodoh. Kijing orang kibapun. Ada also invest in the right way. Kamain kesuni. Nga tang kibesito, nga labor tang dia kerja smart card, jo kaya NHS. Dalam situ so sebab kusion mo yang mata peneleno. Nilai kuno mata. Anda itu so. Kalau invest on mind,
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.